Good day everyone, my name is Mart J.T. Balbalasa from Basic Mathematics, Section 1A. The topic all about is inverse function. Finding the inverse. Finding the inverse. First example, begin with your function. Fx equal 3x negative 7. To replace the fx with y, so you need to replace the f of x with y. So you can see the interchange x and y to find the inverse. So x equal 3y is negative 7. So you need to solve for y. X plus 7 equals 3y. So to cancel the 3 is you need to multiply 3 both sides. So 3y. So as you can see, the x plus 7 over 3 is equal to y. The 3, i-cancel out the 3 to para maiwan ang y. Tapos the solution is y is equal to x plus 7 over 3. This is the final answer for the inverse of f of x negative equal to 3x negative 7. So next example number 2. G of x equal to x3 plus 1. So you need to replace the g of x with y. So ma-interchange ang x and x to the y to find the inverse. So now solve for y. X equal to 2y cubed plus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to y3. To cancel the 2 is you need to multiply both sides the 2. So the answer is x minus 1 over 2 is equal to y cubed. So to cancel out the cube is you need to put the square root of 3 square root. Cube root. You need to multiply the cube root to cancel the 3. So the final answer is g minus to the power of negative 1 x is equal to 3 cube root x minus 1 over 2. So you can see the final answer of finding the inverse of g of x equal to x cubed plus 1 is the final answer is 3. The final answer is cube root x minus 1 over 2. That's all. Thank you for watching our tutorial to so that's all for these lessons. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!